But with Rings of Power, instead of nostalgia and trolls, we get a long history lesson which could have been summed up in 2 minutes. Or we could have learned about it intermittently throughout the series so that it's easier to choke down. Remember that storytelling is like grandma's medications. You've got to sneak in the hard stuff with something she actually wants to eat. You can't just slap her over the head and force down her amlodipine anymore. Senior Services is onto that. You need a gentle touch and subtlety. Speaking of subtlety, let's look at point number 2. Learn how to dialogue, you savages. Now look, I get it. In theory, 6 of you are actually here to learn how to tell a story, which means that you're better at scribbling down random phrases than you are at holding a real conversation with a human being. And while the same could be said of most of Gen Z, story dialogue is not the same thing as a TikTok Benadryl challenge. Both can put you to sleep and make you hate your life, but dialogue shouldn't be as heavy handed or as readily accessible to children as